again. Party, party.
Then,
Parang naiiyak na yata eh.
Thursday?
Oh, malapit na yan. May 10, Sunday. May 10 ba?
Ayun, may ads.
Oh, yun. May ads. 1 month warranty ba yan?
7 days.
7 days, dapat year. Ay, lakas yan.
Ang lakas! Ito ba lakasan yan? Asan ba yan? Asan ba yan?
Naglalagay
Mama, kamusta na di na